Alright, so I thought now would be a good as time as any to start the vlog. We're out here at the Bronx again. As you can see behind me, it's the technical loop. We're here to do some trail maintenance, cut new trails. There's already a casualty, so my little utility has got a flat, and then I decided to drive it with the flat, and now there's a gash in the tire.
Dude, I think you got a little thorn stuck in here. Is that a rock?
Who knows how that rock came in. Luckily I have my own personal tire changer on hand here, the Bearded Wonder.
Done this many times in my life, changing tires back and forth, you know, everyone does. Always good to have a nifty stick. Where's this banner?
So yeah, we're gonna quickly change the tire, and then this video is gonna be like a continuation of 2 days. So we're going to show you some of the stuff while we're cutting the trails, and then there's going to be some riding footage as well. So stay tuned for that. You can see the trail goes up here, and it goes all the way up around the mountain, then it makes a loop and then goes back down again. I'll be posting a video of the blue loop, a separate video on its own. So how are you feeling so far, bro?
It's hot up here, it's tiring. But we're using this bad boy to get all the shrubs out in the middle, so to prevent regrowth, and then running it through with a weed whacker just to clear up the edges. As soon as we get some bikes through here, this line's going to be quite nice and clean.
Alrighty, so quick video update. We are on the backside of the mountain, and this, just gonna grab the paint and stuff, is honestly gonna be a pretty sick section of the track. So now the red loop follows this line, and then you go up and up that way, up the mountain, up, and then the blue loop goes down to this sick little little forest section. This is pretty much the end point for the trail making in this video. Oh, and by the way, we've got the KeepRippin dad hats and KeepRippin flat caps in stock. So there's limited quantities available, so if you guys want one, grab one. Check out the link below this video for the online store or the online order form. They are going to go quick, so grab one while they are in stock. And as I was saying, this is the end point, so we're basically going to go up here. But for today, we did loads of work and cleared this whole section through here. Well, to be honest, Zane definitely worked the hardest. It's like with the light play over here, it's kind of difficult to see the trail on the camera, but it's there all the way through here. And now it's time to paint the trail, and then it goes up there. Okay, alright, I'm coming. Alright, I'm coming.
Fucking mess like my foot heeltemal. Oh, fuck me. Het is in my been gebuig, hè. Up. Man. Ah. Ah. Nice. Nice and easy.
Nice.
Kijk, nou draai je veel naar mij toe. Kijk, nou hetzelfde principe, je moet heel voor op je tank wees. Gaan terug, voor into endo en dan stoot je je wiel oor. Harder, kijk, harder.
Wacht. Daai voet op die peg, hierin op die grond.
Oké. Je moet naar die bergse kant toe leggen.
Kijk, nou met hierdie. Ja.
Yes. Goed, bly daai kant van die berg. Lekker hard endo, stoot je achterover. Here we go. Hard.
Yes, nice.
Nice. Okay. Now you're pretty much good. So now lay weer bergse kant toe, nie ander kant toe nie. Release and go. Release, moenie breek voor nie, anders gaan jy wil uitgly. So sodra jy begin gaan, dan wil jy net jy moet gaan. Gaan. Here we go. Dit is baie belangrik as jy look up, this is the section we call goon drop. And here comes one down Goon Drop. Who may it be? It may be Rickard. Wat is fout, bro?
Die gearlevers, soos die spline op die gearlever self, is heeltemal gestrip.
And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. Remember to check out the merch store if you want to grab a cap or t-shirt. The next video will be a full blue loop at the Bronx, so stay tuned for that.